How to copy the keys in Maya while animating. Now this might sound very simple, but actually it creates a lot of technical problem if you copy the keys in the wrong way. Let's understand what is right and what is wrong in copying the keys. While doing the animation, if you have suppose two keys 75 and 65 here, if you want the 75 pose to be copied on an empty frame, if suppose you want to copy this frame on empty frame, then you can go right click copy and come to 70 and paste it. This is right if the frame is empty. Suppose if you want to copy this frame on 65 where there is already a key, at that time if you go here copy and if you paste it here, it might create a technical problem in your file. What happens is there comes two keys at the same frame which is not visible in your timeline, which you can see it in the graph editor, overlapping keys, and you will have a jerk in your animation. So make sure you are not doing this. Instead what you should be doing is go to the frame which you want to copy, middle mouse click and drag it onto the key where you want to copy it and then press S. This is how you avoid this technical problem, and this is the right way of copying the keys while doing the animation in Maya. If you like this video, share it with your friends and follow me for more such videos.